Hi everyone! Today I will share my very easy and super delicious oven-baked lobster tail recipe. I will also show you how I calculate the cooking time and the temperature at which I bake them.
Hey, can I please get 2 lobster tails? Yep, these 2. Thank you.
The lobster tails I'm using in this video are bought frozen from Costco and they're about 16 ounces each.
Okay, thank you so much, I appreciate it. Have a good day. Happy New Year.
About 40 minutes prior to cooking, place the frozen lobster tails in cold water. When they're ready, rinse them with cold water and trim the fins. With sharp kitchen scissors, cut the lobster tail shell all the way down until you get to the last segment of the tail. Don't cut the last segment because we want the meat to stay attached to the tail. Then take a spoon and separate the meat from the shell without tearing it. Then separate the belly part from the bottom of the shell as well. And the reason I buy the lobster tails from Costco is because they separate super easy. After you're done separating the meat from the shell, gently open the shell and pull the meat out without tearing the end from the bottom of the tail. Close carefully the shell and place the meat over it and butterfly it. At this point, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle olive oil and rub it all over the lobster tail, including underneath, and place the meat back over the shell. Sprinkle olive oil on a baking tray and place the lobster tails in it. Then melt a quarter of a stick of butter and apply it all over the lobster tail, making sure to cover all the crevices. Add salt and sweet red paprika to taste. And I'm adding a few slices of lemon for my plate decor later, but they're totally optional. Now, to calculate the baking time, take the weight of the lobster tail in ounces and multiply it by 1.5 minutes or 1.5 minutes. In my case, the lobster tails are 16 ounces each, so 16 ounces times a minute and a half equals 24 minutes. Now place the lobster tails in the oven one level up from the bottom rack of the oven and set the timer to 24 minutes. While the lobster tails are baking, chop some fresh parsley and melt the rest of the butter. Add the parsley, a minced clove of garlic, and a pinch of salt to the melted butter. As you can see, the lobster tails are done and cooked to perfection. And because this is a special occasion, I'm gonna decorate my plate just a little bit. The reason I'm spreading the butter mixture now and not before baking the lobster tails is because I like my herbs fresh and not baked. Plus, it makes for a better presentation. And if you enjoyed this simple oven-baked lobster tail recipe, please like the video. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. And finally, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Goodbye.